Hi everybody, thanks for taking the time to check out Guaranty's website. My name is Jason.Fairchild. Today we're going to go over the 2018 Forest River Rockwood, and this is the cool one with the big rack up front. Actually, it's a 4x8 rack. They do make one with an 8x8. This is the one we typically have in stock and probably their most popular. Great for ATVs, motorcycles and stuff like that. We're going to start with going over the stuff on the inside and we'll finish up going over the exterior. Follow me. I love this trailer. It's basic, it's got everything you need. Bed up front, it's got a heat pump below, so that'll heat and cool this trailer easily. It's a very small area to heat and cool, so that'll work very efficiently. Over across on the other side, we've got a nice booth dinette. It can be lowered down and made into a sleeping area as well. Got windows really all the way around this trailer, so you got a view everywhere you look if you just open up the curtains and the blinds. Lets in a lot of light and fresh air. We've got a vent fan up above here. Got lights throughout. We've actually got storage down below this bed even, and we can access that from the outside as well. Here we've got a microwave and storage below that. Storage below the booth. I mean, it's just everywhere. Sink over here with hot and cold running water. Nice big 3-burner stove here. And we've got our fridge below here. All right, got a nice grab handle for going in and out here. This rack here allows a barbecue or a table to be mounted onto it. Down below, we've got propane, which comes in real handy when you got a barbecue mounted right here. You don't need to bring extra propane. Outside speaker, antenna for the stereo, 110, nice light there. We've got storage over here. As we move around, full-size spare tire with a cover on it. This trailer just got here, that's why it's a little bit dirty, but I was excited to get it on the website. The sun's come out, camping season started, ready to get you guys out there having fun. It's got additional storage on this side. This is the back of that Cool Cat heat pump that we have inside. This here is the potable water fill. So if you're taking water and you're going to dry camp, this is where you'd put it into the trailer. Here we've got our gray water dump. So your sink water is going to come out here, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to catch that in a bucket or a basin and take that over to the dump station and dispose of that properly. This here is where you fill your city water. So you hook your hose up here and connect to the park's water. This is your hot and cold shower here. Back of your refrigerator, just really for refrigerator technicians. This here is your furnace exhaust. It does get hot. I always like to let people know, especially if they have little ones, be careful with that. This is cool. It's a high pressure sprayer. It comes in pretty handy when you've got a toy hauler type trailer like this is, and you can put your quads and your other things up here. This is very handy for cleaning it off, cleaning your feet off, cleaning off the kids' feet, etc. Next to that, this is where the 30-amp power cord will connect onto. That's stored inside, comes with the trailer. It'll attach here. This is your water heater. Above here, we've got our weights and everything. The dry weight of this trailer is 2,300 pounds, so it's a pretty light trailer, pretty towable by just about any vehicle. GVW, or gross vehicle weight, is 3,800 pounds. So again, pretty light vehicle. Most SUVs, half tons, easily can tow this trailer. Again, this is the highlight of this trailer. This is why most people look at buying this trailer, is this nice rack up front. The sides here remove and actually turn into the ramps. So it's very convenient. You don't need to bring extra stuff with you. You've got tie downs in there, electric tongue jack, propane fill here, and this is really cool. This is a toy lock. So this comes out, you wrap it around your bike, your generator, maybe even your gas, so the people that do bad things don't get your stuff. That's what it's to prevent. At least we'll slow them down. So again, this is the 2018 Forest River Rockwood. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Jason.Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. I hope you guys have a great day.